We'll threaten him.
It's only out of professional respect.
I always let you
Yeah.
operate. I didn't have to.
He's looking at me.
I thought you was crazy, man, not stupid.
What do we do?
Think about it.
Think about
Shot
what?
callers ain't gonna be happy.
What do we do?
I don't like the way he's looking at me.
The Aztecas is an international enterprise.
I think he gets it.
Oh, that feels better.
You sure mean business.
He's not dead. I just kicked him in the forehead. Is he dead? He's not dead.
We can go now.
Now he's dead. Okay, let's go. 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 I gotta find the body. Gotta push him. In the water. Downstream. Let's go downstream. There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes. We're giving you the good old. There you go. Doribe. Did he sink? Let's go, gamers!
This is an unprecedented turn of events.
I always said I was gonna take over.
People say all kinds of stuff. when
Meow,
they're 3 days into a
meow,
smoking
meow,
gun.
meow.
Calling me a bullshitter, friend?
They'll never
Clearly
find him.
not. No way. You're a man of your word.
I love cucumbers.